Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about these super cute underwear. They are from MooMoo Baby. So they are potty training underwear. So we're venturing into that zone in our family. So if you can see here, they are a little padded. And so the purpose of these is to get your little one used to wearing underwear, but also you're not worried about their pee or their poo going everywhere during that potty training process. So I really like these. They work really well. My son can definitely feel when he's going. Still, it's not too padded where he's not getting that feeling. That's what he needs to be able to potty train successfully. So it works really well. It contains it. What more could you ask for? How cute the designs are with all the trucks and everything as well. So definitely check them out, and that is my point of view.